In this video, I am going to explain you about the Restrobills Cashier Portal. In this Cashier Portal, you can have a look of everything like a single users order list and the daily sales and how many items they have been selling and how many categories they have been selling out. You can check it out everything in this Cashier Portal. Let's see detailed things about the Cashier Portal here. Let me explain you how the Restrobills Cashier Portal works here. Here you can see the entire dashboard like user admins, particular user admin dashboard. You can check it out here, like how many orders they have taken in a month and how many sales they have taken in a day and how many bills they have generated in a day and how many items they have sold in a day. So you can check out in this user admin dashboard, and you can check out the sales payment mode also, per day sales payment mode also. You can check it out here, and you can have a look of top 5 selling items, bottom 5 selling items here, and you can have a entire summary here, how many sales they have taken in a month, like payment details, bill summary, and how many takeaway, how many dine-in, how many old bills. You can check it out here in that particular users cashier portal. So next we are going to check out the orders. Here, when you check out the orders, it is directly check it out in the takeaway bill. Takeaway. So if you have a customer dine-in means you can check out dine-in. If your customer is in table 4, you can click table 4. And if your customers need to order the dosa means biryani means you can check veg biryani here. And if you want to save this item, you can save. And the customer is saying I will be ordering next after the eating like this means you can just click save items. If he is okay, he wants to take a bill means you can save and print here. And you can generate the printing option here, and you will get a print here. And you will get the printed bill there, and you can send it to the KOT. So in this orders, if you can do like this, if the person, we have check table 3 already ordered veg biryani, now he wants to order other item also means you can check, click new dessert items, and he is ready to give the payment. You can save and print KOT. You can print and send to the KOT. Then you can check out in the bills, in pending bills you can click, you can see here like veg biryani and new dessert, the table number 3 ordered. If you want to print a bill, you can print a bill here. Here you can have the entire thing here, like name, item names, quantity and rates, everything. You can check it out here. If you want to settle this bill, you can click the settle bill. If the payment is done through cash means you can mention cash. If your payment is done by card, you can mention card. If it is UPI, you can mention UPI. If it is in cash, the customer paid is 300. You can see the return to the customer, how much amount you have to return to the customer. You can check it out here. If you want to give the discount amount also, you can mention 10-12 rupees like that. If you mention here, you can see the return how much amount you have to return to the customer. You can check it out here. If you want to add tip to the waiter, you can add tip like 20 rupees. So the customer to return of the customer will be 5 rupees. Settle and save. The bill will be settled. So you can check the settled bills here. So in this month, if the one bill has been settled, and you can check it out here. If your customer is takeaway, you can click takeaway, and if your customer is ordering burger, you can click burger. If you want to hold the bill of this customer, you can click hold, and you can check it in the hold bills. Like burger is 120, so you can click 120, save and print. If it is done, everything is done, you can save and print, and you can send it to KOT. So these are the things in the order list. And bill, you can I have sent you about that by pending bills, or you can see the pending bills. What are the pending bills? If it is settled bills, you can check the settled bills here. If if your customer is asking for e-bill, so you can add customer name and their phone number. So if it will save, and the OTP will be sending to the customer. So you can have a look on this. This is the customer portal reports. Item bill reports. You can check the item in this particular user how many bill has been generated. So previously we generated 126 that UPI na. So it will be shows here, and the cash payment mode which have been done now for the simple sake. You can check it here, and the total bill report is 400, and the bill report with GST is also mentioned, and GST amount is also mentioned. If it is not GST, it won't be mentioned here. So you can check it from here, and if you want to check from this date to this date, you can select from the calendars, and you can check the payment mode. If it is in UPI, you can see only UPI. If you want to check in cash, you can check only cash. If it is card, you can check only the card. So that's all about the report. Another is the item report. So from which date to which date you want to see the item report, like what are the items have been sold from this users, from this particular user. You can check it out from this here. From the calendar, I am just clicking for the April 1 to April 5. You can filter and you can have a look at there. See, from previous month to up to till date, you can check what are the items have been sold here, and you can generate in Excel format, or you need to copy it, you can copy it. If you want to print, you can print, and if you want a CSV copy also, you can take a CSV copy here. Next we are going to Tiny OTP. In admin portal we are seeing the QR management. Now, if the customer doesn't get after filling out details from that QR code, if they are not generate any OTP, the OTPs will be automatically comes through here. You can say that OTP to the customer, and they can order from there, from their phones. Then dine-in OTP have been done. Then contact us. If you have any queries, or if you have any errors or any bugs to be fixed, you can call us or email us, and you can visit our Restrobills website also for the client things. So how many clients have been onboarded, and how many clients we have been successfully using our Restrobills. You can check it out from there. Then here is a profile one. You can see that the particular profile, user's profile, like name and his email ID. And if you want to change password, you can change the password and you can update here. If you want to log out, you can do the logout option here. So this is the whole cashier portal, how the cashier portal of the Restrobill works. Now you get to know how the Restrobills Cashier Portal works. If you want to use in a mobile application, you can directly download from Play Store, and the app name is called the Restrobills Captain app. If you have any queries, or if you want to have another live demo session, you can feel free to reach us. Thank you.